Welcome to the Conscious Craft Studio. Today we're going to show you how to do the treble crochet stitch. As you can see, this stitch is much taller than the half treble stitch. We'll do a swatch which is 10 rows by 10 stitches. We'll start by doing a slip knot. We're then going to chain 10 chain stitches. We will also chain 3 chaining up stitches. We chain up 3 stitches because of the length of the treble crochet stitch. When we do a half treble stitch, we chain up 2, and when we do a double crochet stitch, we chain up 1. We miss these first 3 chaining up stitches when we do our first treble crochet. Yarn over, push the hook into the 4th chain, yarn over and pull through. We now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull the hook through 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull the hook through 2 loops. You have 1 loop on the hook. For the second, yarn over, push the hook through the chain, yarn over and pull through. You now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's your second treble crochet. Continue to do 8 further treble crochets into your chain stitches. You have now done your 10th treble crochet. We'll now chain up 3 and turn your work like a book. We miss those 3 chaining up stitches when we start the next row. Yarn over once, push your hook through the top of the treble crochet stitch under the V, pull the yarn through, you have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull the yarn through 2 loops. That's your first treble crochet stitch. Now we yarn over again, push the hook through, yarn over and pull through. You've got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again and pull through 2. That's your second treble crochet. Continue until you reach the end of the row. When you reach the end of the row, once again chain up 3 and turn like a book. Yarn over the hook, push the hook through, yarn over, pull through. You've got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Once again, yarn over the hook, push the hook through, yarn over, pull through. You've got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. You just carry on until the end of the row. You count treble crochet rows very much as you do half treble crochet rows. They're raised and dipped. So count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You've now completed your swatch of treble crochet. 10 rows by 10 stitches. The next stitch is the double treble crochet. As you can see, it's even longer. We'll see you again soon.